welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. It's currently like 9:44 p.m. and I got a new desk. This is my old one. It's not the best. I'm just kidding. It is the best. I really do I did like it while it had its time to shine. It was rebuilt from my brother's old desk. My brother's desk was literally like cut in half. My dad and reused like this top part, and for some reason we made it a double-decker couch. Desk. I have this like weird, like it's like a little thing in my room. It's like 2 feet by like 2 feet, couple inches. So it's like literally just like a dip in my room. Like they could have made the closet bigger or smaller. Don't know why. Don't know who built this house. All right. Hopefully I chapter this. Do story time. Okay, can't tip over and crush children. Alright, let's make sure we got all the pieces. Okay. They're not labeled, but I must. Oh, okay. It's like taped. No, this one's giving. Oh, and it has top holes. Okay, this one is giving like. This is D. Let's order it by one. So these are all the parts. And there is A, B, C, D, E. Hopefully this isn't enough. What is it? I don't understand. Finished. Okay, let's keep going. Let's organize these screws first. The wooden dowel. Okay. I don't have like a sorter. Let me see. Organize them. Let me tell you. From experience, always organize them. Always. Because if you don't, you're gonna drop one and lose it, and then your brother's gonna get mad at you. Your brothers are mad at you. It's not fun. It says first we're gonna organize all our parts. So just attach wooden dowels to that. And then all of these. And then insert these things. Get a screwdriver. Oh, I was gonna get a power drill. Fun fact, I actually have a hammer. I use this piece of marble all the time. Stay where you are. And the wooden dowels are in. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong page. So wooden dowels are in. Let's see. Attach cams to panel. Got it? Not easier. Okay, Milo. What's wrong? You okay? It's me. I screwed in all the screws. Let me let you know, it was not easy. My thing was super tiny. Frail. I ended up having to use this one, but I got the job done, so. And it's telling me to attach shelf E to A. And this one's A and this one's E, so I'll move B next to you guys. Just hold that for me. Okay, I'm assuming we attach B next, right? Okay. So attach D like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but these should line up, maybe? It just attached top unit. What? Virgo came back to kick me in the butt. Okay. Uh-oh. Drink. Uh-oh. Actually looks very small. Ow. Okay. I'd say it's going pretty good. I mean, I have more space here. And I like how I can put like my laptop and like other technical stuff like batteries or I don't have my phone stand, but if I did, right? You can see that? It's pretty big. I have this nice blue mic, but if I'm not using it, I haven't streamed in like months. But I like that I can finally open my laptop. Granted, I always have like a protector over it. I just need to find it. And so you can tell it's some LED lights on. It's maybe hooked up. The PC down by my feet's a little awkward, but if I'm being honest, I still have like all this leg room, and it's not that bad. So make a comparison jump.